All right, boys and girls, now we're going to do the back side of our scholastic along with our reading checkpoint, okay? So it says seeds grow into new plants. Read about how a coconut seed grows into a tall plant, then answer the questions. This is a coconut. A coconut is a kind of seed. 2 is a seedling. The coconut sprouts, a seedling grows. 3, young coconut palm. The seedling gets taller and grows into a palm. An adult coconut palm. After 5 to 10 years, the palm starts to grow coconuts. Number 1, a coconut is a kind of seed, leaf, trunk. Mark the answer that you think would be best. A coconut is a kind of seed, leaf, trunk. Number 2, which one sprouts? A coconut, a young coconut palm, or an adult coconut palm? Which one sprouts? Look for this word sprouts and it will help you. Sprouts. Okay. And then number 3 says, coconuts grow on, do they grow on a seedling? Do they grow on a young coconut palm or an adult coconut palm? Select your answer that you think would be best. And then think about this one. Would a 3-year-old coconut palm have coconuts growing on it? I'm going to read this one more time for you to think about it. After 5 to 10 years, the palm starts to grow coconuts. So would a 3-year-old coconut palm have coconuts growing on it? Yes or no? Select your answer and then grab your reading checkpoint. Are these seeds bad? Use your Scholastic News to answer the questions. What is the article mostly about? A seed from a made-up story, or what real seeds are like? So does it talk all about the bad seed, the whole thing? Every single page has something about the bad seed on it? Or is it talking about real seeds through the whole story? Select the one that you think would be best. All right, and then which kind of seed can float in the air? I'm going to give you a hint. It's the one where you can pick it up and blow on it and the seed floats away, right? So it's a sunflower, a burdock, or a dandelion. Number 3, if you ate a sunflower seed, would it grow into a flower in your belly? We talked about it, right? Would it grow in your belly? Well, it needs soil, rain, and sunshine. So would it grow in your belly? Answer why and then explain it. So yes, because of a reason, or no, because of a reason. And then number 4, make sure, some of you don't do very good on actually drawing what it says to draw, but it says draw spiky seeds on the cow's fur. Spiky seeds. Then write what kind of seeds they are below. So draw them on the cow and then write what kind of seed. All right, and then we'll get ready for our next page here in a minute.